First and foremost one, why do you require cloud environment? What we are going to achieve through cloud environment? There are a lot of advantages, lot of features, but this class is targeted to completely cloud administration. As a developer, as a developer, we should know why do we require a cloud. Please observe, after developing a project, after developing a project, we need to deploy that project in the production. If we are maintaining our own production environment, if we are maintaining our own production environment, then definitely it's very expensive. Initial setup, you need to buy the servers, you need to maintain a dedicated internet connection, you need to maintain a very good memory. If you are maintaining production environment, then definitely you need to take care of a lot of things which may be sensitive for us. It may be little difficult for us to maintain all. Developer, after developing a project, maintaining production environment is maybe little beyond to the developer. Some admins should involve maintaining that production environment continuously without power interruptions, without internet interruption. Whenever customers are increasing, automatically memory should be increased. Whenever customers are decreasing, you can deallocate some of the resources. All these things maintaining by the developer in the company itself, it's little difficult. Better to go for cloud environments. We don't require to bother anything. Cloud maintenance companies, they will take care of running your application very smoothly, no power interruption, no internet interruption. You don't require to buy any servers. Memory can be automatically increased whenever customers are increasing. It can be decreased as well. It is completely configurable. You can keep increasing whenever you want to. You can keep decreasing. You don't require to buy the licenses for Linux. You don't require to buy the licenses for any softwares. You can hire those from the cloud environment. So in case of cloud, just monthly rental will be. So we need to bear only the rental cost. We don't require to buy any softwares, any hardwares. We don't require to take care of uninterrupted power supply, uninterrupted net connection. All will be maintaining by the cloud providers. Cloud providers, but it's a little expensive. We need to keep bearing every month. But definitely it will not be a tension. We can call like a tension free. If application running in our company, we have to maintain lot of things. Definitely some expertise people is required. in case of administrating our application in the production, instead of maintaining the team which is for maintaining our application, we can go for straight away cloud providers. Our application Lara.co.in running in the cloud only. Almost for the past 3 years it is running. I'm not getting any kind of tensions. So I don't have any kind of administrators or anything. Instead of giving a salary to the administrators and keep on taking a headaches of maintenance, we can deploy our application in the cloud providers, cloud providing companies. They will take care of everything, monthly rental charges. So here monthly rental charges are little expensive, little expensive. So Lara itself I'm bearing almost every month 80 to 90 thousands. It is purely based on the usage. If more usage, more money. So something like a pay whatever you are using. Even though for our application lot of resources allocated, they're not charging for all the allocated resources. They are charging only for the resources whichever our students are using. So here our students continuously keep accessing the videos. Their more usage is there. That is why more expensive. If it is a general application where video buffering is not there, then definitely it will not be this much cost. Maybe 10 to 15,000 may be sufficient for every month. Now because of video buffering, so more cost is there. We don't require to bother about the cloud environment. Everything they only will be taking care. We don't require to buy any hardware. We don't require to buy any software. Monthly rental only. There are several cloud providers, several cloud providing companies. Very widely using Amazon Web Services AWS, Google, likewise some more are there. Here I will be covering completely developer level knowledge with respect to AWS cloud. For the AWS cloud, whatever knowledge required for the developer. See, AWS also vast. It's a ocean, I can say. Lot of information is there. That information completely to the administrators. AWS administrators having lot of things to know. I'm not covering anything related to AWS administration. It is only developer level knowledge. Whatever knowledge required to the developer with respect to AWS, that information I will be taking you now. In the next section, I'll show you how to create a AWS account.